Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start now by getting the AirTag in hand and a coin or fingertip to turn the back. First, press down on the stainless cover and rotate counterclockwise to unlock it. Remove the cover and the CR2032 battery. Once out, set the cover aside where you won't lose it, and make sure the battery is accessible. This initial action exposes the internal contact points you'll use to perform the hard reset. Make sure your fingers are steady before continuing. Now you'll do the sequence that triggers the reset. Insert the CR2032 battery and press down until you hear a chime, then remove it. Repeat insert and press 4 more times, 5 total insertions, making sure each press seats the battery fully. Listen carefully. The first 4 chimes sound similar, and on the 5th press you should hear a different tone. This different tone confirms the AirTag has cleared its pairing. Once you hear that final tone, the device is ready for reassembly. Finish by aligning the stainless back cover with the tabs and pressing down while twisting clockwise until it locks in place. After reassembly, open the Find My app and add the AirTag like a new device to verify the hard reset succeeded. If the AirTag doesn't chime on insertion or won't pair, make sure the battery is fresh and repeat the 5 insertion sequence. Often a weak battery or incomplete presses cause failure. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.